The Gallon House Covered Bridge, about 2 miles northwest of Silverton, Oregon, has been spanning the Abiqua Creek in rural Marion County since 1916. The 84-foot-long bridge, named Gallon House, was due to the bridge's use as a pigeon drop for liquor at the north entrance. Operators at a liquor dispensary nearby sold White Lightning whiskey by the gallon to Silverton residents. At the time, Silverton was dry, not allowing liquor to be sold in town, while Mount Angel was wet. The bridge was swept off its footings in the December 1964 flood, but was restored immediately after. The Gallon House Covered Bridge is Oregon's oldest covered bridge in continuous service. It is also haunted.